making your content so boring. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Brooklyn, your Hartfelt Media Mentor, here to help you succeed in the industry that loves to get good. Today, we're going to talk about how you can make your videos go just a little bit less boring. I'm not saying they're not entertaining, but I just feel like there's ways that we can make it better. One way you could do that is through memes, sound effects, or pop-ups on the screen. Also, changing angles helps a lot. It can really help your audience engage a little bit more with you. Because when you move, it's just a little bit more interesting. And it makes it more fun. So try this to help boost your views on your content. Ta-ta for now.